This is the first part of this playlist. Here I make a project in Eclipse, and this is the destination. And first I make a Maven project. For this, click on File, New, and Maven, and after that you can filter by classfish, and here you can check the group ID and the artifact, and the version I used 3.1.5. so group ID is the package, artifact ID is your project name. You can name anything. Here I would write 01 Maven classfish, so I can easily categorize what type of this project is. Here I used classfish Jersey web app, and I delete the remaining one, and then finish. And after that they ask for yes, so your project is initial setup is finished for starting the project. But before you set up your server, I'm using 10 Tomcat, and next is set in targeted runtime. Okay, now you can check here index.jsp. this is a core HTML, so I would delete this and make a new one. Right click web app, new, and then JSP. If you don't able to find the JSP, then you can simply download from the marketplace. This is the index.jsp. this here you can see the tag lib of JSP. So is my JSP page is running or not? So for that I would write binary call, and before starting the project first I need to add all the dependencies, Maven dependencies, like Servlet, JSTL, MySQL connector, and for JSONs I will use Google Code JSON. So these are the 4 Maven dependencies which I need to include in pom.xml file. And after that clean the project. This is not mandatory, but I would prefer to do this, so maybe a project running freely. And after cleaning, then again check build and right click, then project, and run as Maven clean. Now you can check here build success, and after that Maven install. Here you also check Maven build success, and last one is update project. So these are the 3 steps, so you can follow if you stuck anywhere in Maven. And now I start my project run as server. If you stuck for making in Maven JSP project, then you can check my videos playlist where I show the how to make a first project in Eclipse. Now I make some folder and files. First one is extra, where I can add Navbar header and the footer, and the second thing is CSS file. Second thing is CSS. Now here you can check the marketplace. If you add any package or any you can say any package related to the Eclipse, then you can simply go to marketplace, Eclipse marketplace. Here this is the installed Eclipse packages. Now I add a JSP which is Navbar, and the second one is for header. And the third one is footer. I simply in first video I will add all the links like Bootstrap 4 and what I used in this project. So I will provide the link so you can easily copy and paste in your project. Next thing is simply you add or import this file, but before add a meta tag. Meta tag is related to view if you make your website responsive. So the first thing you need to add, but this is not a content type, this is content, and the width is device minus width, and initial scale be 1.0. Now I can add the second thing, and the second thing is file include like header, navbar and the footer. So in JSP you can add by this here it shows some error. Okay, for now I add another navbar or import. Last one is the footer link, but you can check that this gives some error. Why? I think there is some issues in include, it's a syntax error. So maybe yeah, I forgot to add at the rate. Now if I save, the error is gone. Now you can check the binary call font is changed, so due to Bootstrap 4. And similarly navbar, first thing I need to add is ignored is false. This is related to I think tag library. Now I add tag lib. I can simply copy and paste these two. Okay, and now write the Bootstrap code of Navbar. Style be background color. I provide this one, and anchor tag where this is the link for home route, and I also provide some font or some binary call. This is related to the tag library. So for now being I simply removed. And for buttons, like for navbar I provide a drop down. So for this I need to add button and the attributes like data toggle, data target and all the things. Here expand is equal to false. And in span I simply provide icon, navbar toggler icon. Okay, for color I simply add a custom style.css file where I can write the CSS related to the navbar and other things. So first I add a class which I mention in navbar. So for that, go to the bg custom, to this class have a background image, it's a style, and because I want some gradient effect, so I can add background image be linear gradient and be 15 degree the color, and this is the second color. Now if I refreshed, but before I need to add this style.css file in index.jsp. So for I need to call in header, I think after header link.jsp. So link style sheet relation type, and the path is css style.css. Yeah, you can check here, and for the remaining code you can copy here.